Hello and welcome back to another Wall of Sound unboxing video. This week we're looking at another subwoofer, in this case the Svs'S 3000 Micro. Now this launched last night and we have been lucky enough to be one of the first retailers in the UK to get our hands on one, and so great opportunity to get it out of the box, have a look at it, perhaps even compare it to the KEF KC62 that we reviewed last time. So as I say, the Svs'S 3000 Micro only launched last night. It's Svs'S first real attempt at a micro subwoofer. In their own words, it's taken them a few years to actually be confident enough in the technology to actually produce something worthy of the name. It features dual 8-inch opposing active drivers, capable of delivering 800 watts of RMS power, and also capable of 2,500 watts of peak power. For a subwoofer that's contained in a 10-inch cabinet, that's an amazing spec. Cabinet comes in an option of two colours, either a piano gloss black or piano gloss white. Svs'S claim that it's got 10 coats of hand-applied lacquer for a deep gloss finish, so it looks as good as it sounds. Final touch is Svs'S powerful smartphone app, which allows for ultimate control with DSP, tuning it to exactly how you want it to sound. Last time, a lot of you asked about this specification of the subwoofer. We'll put a list of the specifications at the end of the video. So all's left to do now is open the box, get it out and give it a test, see how it sounds. So as we can see, a regular 12-inch LP completely obscures the subwoofer. It is that small. If we're to use a slightly different unit of measure, the vastly popular Wall of Sound fizzy beverage, that's quite a good yardstick for how big things are. Again, much like the KEF we looked at a couple of weeks ago, not much larger than a drinks can. In terms of actual physical size, we're looking at a 10-inch cabinet with two 8-inch drivers. As we can see, we can turn the subwoofer around. On the back of the amplifier plate, we've got the power connections, the switches, the inputs, and a couple of controls for setting the amplifier up. Some of the other features include a auto power on and a low pass filter. So I've had a listen to all three of these subwoofers. Wanted to compare it to the bigger brother, the SB2000, obviously the KEF that we looked at a couple of weeks ago, and this is our thoughts. KEF is certainly the cutie of the bunch. It's by far the smallest. It's impressive for what it can do for its size, but it does sound like it's trying a little bit hard at times. Obviously, neither of the two smaller subs compare to a much larger model, but that was to be expected really. But realistically, not that far off. We were still impressed with the level and detail of the bass that they both produce. The biggest thing to take away is that is incredible bang for your buck. The price point means that for some people you could actually get two of those in a room and go for a twin sub setup for not much difference the price of the KEF as a single sub. So if we're comparing sizes between the KEF and the Svs'S, KEF is obviously a smaller unit, but do remember that is only a 6.5-inch driver in there. On the Svs'S it is an 8-inch driver. You can see how much more space the driver takes up in the cabinet compared to the smaller driver on the KEF. But at the price point, the Svs'S is really good value for money. So I guess the final thing to address is the price. Last time round we looked at the KEF KC62. That retails at £1,400. The Svs'S comes in at £899, so it's a bargain. In a lot of cases it means you can almost buy two subwoofers for the price of one. So if you are looking at a dual subsystem, the Svs'S is probably going to be the way forward. So both these products are now in stock on our website. We'll post links in the description below. Coming up in a future video, we're going to do a side-by-side comparison, see how the specs compare, see what you get for the slightly higher budget with the KEF, but also see how great value the Svs'S is at that lower price point. But thanks for watching the video. If you like what you saw, be sure to like the video, perhaps even subscribe to our channel. We are going to try and post up more unboxing videos. Soon we'll have the 2021 range of Samsung smart TVs, the new QLED range and the new 8Ks. Hoping to get some of those in soon to do an unboxing. We'll also perhaps do some more sort of techie videos, how to set things up and how to get the most out of your technology. Thanks for watching.